Pulmonary hypertension is a disease that goes highly undiagnosed and is extremely deadly. PH is classified as an underdiagnosed chronic disease that not a lot of physicians know about. But PH also goes highly misdiagnosed as a number of other diseases that share similar symptoms. Pulmonary hypertension affects two primary organs, the heart and the lungs, but it mostly affects the lungs. When the pulmonary arteries in the lungs become narrowed, blocked, or destroyed is when pulmonary hypertension begins. Now that I've explained to you what pulmonary hypertension is, I'm going to talk to you about the importance of more gene research. Gene research has been done and the results have been beneficial, but with continued research, a cure or preventative measure may become available to patients that carry the PH gene known as bone morphogenetic protein receptor 2. Hereditary research is also very helpful because this will help in detecting when a person is more likely to be a carrier of pulmonary hypertension. And with this early detection, preventative measures can be put into place to help in earlier treatment. Hereditary research is also being done, but more intense research will save many lives. Funding for pulmonary hypertension research is very limited due to the lack of knowledge and awareness. There are a few organizations that raise funds for research, and there are a few medical schools that do research for pulmonary hypertension. Even though this is being done, more funding is needed to find a cure and better treatment options. Lastly, I will discuss the importance of more awareness. Awareness of pulmonary hypertension is almost as rare as the funding, but there are many options available that can help with more awareness. The first one is the media, and this can be done by contacting your local news station and your local newspaper and telling them about pulmonary hypertension. Another good way to promote awareness is by your elected government officials and talking to them about pulmonary hypertension and the importance of awareness that is needed for this disease. Pulmonary hypertension does not have a cure, but is quite manageable, and with more research and awareness, more people would receive a faster diagnosis and treatment. With more funding, better awareness for pulmonary hypertension, we can help stop this deadly disease in its tracks. This disease does not get half of the attention that other diseases get and is more deadly than most when it goes untreated and undiagnosed. If there was more funding provided for the research on what causes pulmonary hypertension, a cure or preventative measure might become available. PH affects many households of all races, both rich and poor, and until it affects someone of importance, the awareness is low, so it is important for everyone to be an advocate for more awareness.